learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是bingo Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And every day of the week, we have this We Love Hakka segment right here, giving you information about the culture, about the food, about the people, and to teach you very wise phrases, also known as idioms. Leo, 今天呢，是不是可以再教一个这个客家谚语给我们呢？
没问题。
没问题。That means no problem. Okay.
我们今天来教的这一句呢，总共有8个字。好，石花脸盆。
石花脸盆。
石字脸唇。
石字脸唇。为什么脸盆听起来像脸盆呢？
像吗？但是不是啦，但是它也是讲到那个盆。
It sounds like a water bucket, but it's not. But it does refer to a bucket. So break it down for us.
好，惜花莲盆。如果你很喜欢这一盆花的时候，
爱惜它，
对，你就连那个花盆都喜欢了。
The first part, it means if you love the flower, you gotta love the pot that the flower is in too. OK, 那后面这一段，
这后面那一段
也是对照咯，
更贴切。
OK，
就是你如果喜子连孙，就是你很喜欢这个小孩，你就连他的小孩，他就是你的孙子也喜欢了。
OK，
对不对
？The second part is more about humanity, if you will, but it has the same parallel meaning. If you like a son or a daughter, you should like their children as well. 所以这句话是我们要爱屋及乌吧，这有点那种感觉吧？
对，就是爱屋及乌的意思。
英文其实也有这样子的对照，跟狗有关系，
是吗？
对，就是 love me， 然后 love my dog。如果你爱我，你要连我的狗狗也爱
啊！是，
我相信很多爱狗的女生听到这句话一定会
猛点头。
男朋友不喜欢狗，给我走开！
你不喜欢我，就是不喜欢我的狗，那你就离开我。
对。So apparently, this type of philosophy exists in so many different cultures. You know, in English, love me, love my dog, and in Chinese, well, we're going to review that real soon. But let's hear the English first.
To cherish flowers, you'd also cherish the flower pot. To love your children, you'd also love your grandchildren. This proverb has the same meaning as the Chinese saying, love the house and its crow. If you truly love something or someone, you'd accept all people and things related to it. In English, the same translation would be, love me, love my dog.
And let's have Leo repeat that line one more time. 我们今天的谚语是
石花脸盆，石字脸唇。
There you go. Another wise idiom for you here on We Love Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.